Hey Leo, Trisha here. Today we're doing a November 2018 forecast, and what I'm feeling for you guys is I feel like you are stressed out about something, but it's almost like maybe there's no reason for you to actually be stressed. You are either stressing out about something and getting stuck in a rut and kind of like, what is that, like running around in a hamster wheel, stressing out about something but really getting nowhere. And for some of you, it may be that you are feeling apprehensive about something that is actually really going very well for you. Like you are stressed about something or you're wary about something, but it's something that's going well for you. So it's almost like it's going well. Why are you worried about it? And I think part of it is maybe deep down, I don't mean at the mental level, but deep down, you don't believe that you deserve what you are receiving or that you are worthy of it. And I say not at the mental level because I think it's really easy for us at the mental level to believe and say, like, yeah, I do believe that I deserve good things. I do believe that if I work hard for something that I should get the result of it. I do believe that I'm a good person and so I should be able to meet somebody who is good and who is good to me. But I think on the emotional level, when it really comes down to it, there is an internal fear when we actually get met up with the reality of having to accept something that we deserve. So it's like really easy to say, I deserve good things, but when something good actually comes to you, that's when you have an emotional reaction and you start to push things away because deep down you may not actually believe that you deserve it. And now that it's here, it's real. And so you start pushing it away. And so I think it's really important that this month that you relax about this. And the reason why is because if you don't, you are self-sabotaging. You may start setting yourself up to where whatever this good thing is, if it's a person, if it's a business opportunity, if it's a career opportunity, you may end up pushing it away. And I feel like this is like the wrong thing to say to you because it's only going to make you more apprehensive, but I have guidance for you. So the guidance here is to help you with that. I think that you need to, whenever you are around this person that maybe you have in your life who is being really good to you, or if it's a business opportunity, whatever the situation, whenever you are faced with it, inside, think, I am open to receiving this. I am open to receiving whatever I am being given. And maybe even like open yourself up body language wise, like pull your shoulders back, kind of like allow your heart to be opened up, and maybe even stand with your like palms facing this way a little bit more and just really allow your body to be open, because a lot of times our body can influence our thinking. So if you open your body up, then you will be open to receiving whatever is coming your way. And I use the word open, don't say, and also say, I am open to whatever this is, your situation working out. I'm open to this working out. And don't use the word trust. Don't say, I trust this is going to work out, because that is going to just trigger a bunch of emotional things because you don't trust yet that you deserve these things. You don't trust yet this is going to work out. That's why you're apprehensive. So you want to soften that word by saying, I'm open to it working out, meaning I'm not saying this is for sure going to work out, and if I throw my heart into it, I won't get disappointed because I don't believe that yet, but I'm open to it. I'm open to it. So I think that that will really help you. Is anytime you are feeling some kind of resistance around this, any kind of apprehension or stress, or feeling like you need to work harder, or getting yourself stuck in some kind of rut, just take a moment and tell yourself, I'm open to this working out. And I think just repeating that and kind of practicing that, and then maybe using the body language to really solidify that, not just with words, but like telling your mind, like deep down at the subconscious level, I am open to things working out for me, will really calm you down and stop the self-sabotage, and subconsciously allow the other person to know that what they are sharing with you, or the business deal, because that has its own energy, letting that energy know that you are open to receiving it, you are allowing it, and you're not pushing it away, and it has a safe place to come and open itself to you. So it will kind of work both ways. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Also, check out the description box, especially if you're an empath. If you're watching this, you probably are one. And yeah, check it out because I have a free course for empaths to help you kind of manage your energy, manage your emotions, manage the energy of other people, and all that good stuff. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.